All right, so today's a new day. Today's day number 2 of owning a 280 ZX 1981. We got it running yesterday. I'll show that video here in a second. But while it was running, it decided to piss all over the floor. It pissed like 2 gallons of gas. So we found the leak. It's like a split near the tank. Yeah, near the fuel pump. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get that replaced, get that all patched up, and then get it running again.
Do some fucking wheelies.
Yeah. Well, there's a little more work before the wheelies happen. So, keep you guys updated. See what happens. So right up there, I don't know if you could tell, is where the leak is coming from.
You can see the split in the line right here, and you can see the braid. That's where all the fucking gas was coming out.
Yes, that's the pump. So we're gonna replace there to there.
And I think we're gonna replace this little bit down here too, because it looks really old. So
yeah,
it's probably as old. Oh, it's not as old as I am.
Not yet.
Fuck you.
So that's what we're doing right now. Okay.
There's pressure in the line. This part of it.
Just a little bit.
This is the first time we've ever worked on a Nissan of any kind, but I think we've got here some kind of fuel pressure regulator, it looks like, because it's got some kind of nut on the bottom of it. And when we took this line off, there was pressure in the line, but there was no pressure behind it. So.
Oh, you think that's bad?
No, I think it's fine.
Okay.
Because it started and ran with that. I just think the fuel line was fucked, so that's why we ended up having like 3 gallons of fuel pissed all over the ground. But I think that's fine. It's just something interesting. Probably, I mean, considering the vehicle and everything that this thing had on it, brand new, is years ahead of some of the other vehicles that were available. I think that's probably just some kind of innovative 1981. This piece right here.
Interesting.
Yeah, something like that's on the space shuttle now or something.
Yeah.
Cool.
So we got it off.
You see that huge split in it?
Yep.
And kudos to Nissan for putting Phillips head screws on their fuel line clamps, because nobody else ever does that.
Nope, and it would have been a pain in the
ball sack
to undo it the other way. So,
yeah. Thank you, Nissan.
Thank you. Nothing came out. Damn it, that was me. Woo! That was a fucking bullet hitting the ground. I think job number 1 was a success. Brakes. So yeah, we got no fucking. Oh, we got an 8. We got an 8. I turned the air on. It's off. She fucking runs!